What's up, guys? Welcome once more to my channel. I still remember your friend, your tutor, Promise Jury. If you are new to this channel, what we do here, we teach people how to make money online from the internet, whether you are skilled or unskilled. We teach you how to make money from the internet without stress. Just do it to follow our guide and you'll be happy that you are in the right place. If this is your first time, please do it to subscribe to this channel. And this channel too, we have other videos that talks about how to earn money using your Twitter account, how to create Fiverr account, how to make 2,000 naira daily using a secret website, and Pinterest and others. If you are still with me, let's get started. In this video, I'm going to give you one of the best affiliate websites that you need to join to start making money. And I'm going to teach you how to know the best offer, how to know an offer that is converting. I'm going to teach you how to post it on the social media. There's a pattern, there's a pattern, a technique that you need to use when you are posting it. Then lastly, I want to teach you how to get free traffic to your affiliate link. So do not skip the video, watch to the end so that you don't miss any part of the video. Let's get started right now. The website I'm going to talk about right now is CPALEAD. CPALEAD. If you are new, this is the website. Look at it, CPALEAD. If you click on it, I'm already logged in to this website. Let me reload again. Alright, it's reloading. So what do they do here? CPALEAD will give you offers. Maybe your audience will have to run a little survey, or maybe submit their emails or zip code, and they get some free gift. Why they do that? You who send the link to them, who expose this link to them, will also get paid too. That's what CPA is all about. It's called cost per action or cost per click. But this time we're going to use CPA for cost per action. So the action that is taking place on this link will get you paid. So if you are in the CPALEAD platform, what you do, just go to offer wall, click on the offer wall. You're going to see several contents here. So let's just see, look at them here. Look at them here. So even when you just log in your dashboard, you will see all the offers here. Let's scroll down. You can see them here. Look at all the offers. But if I here, I'll just come to this spot called payout. Called payout. Click on payout again. You see, click on it. You said yes. You see the highest to the lowest. So you can see the first one here is said $22. So anybody that completes a task here, you earn $22. You see. But let me see. I want to say something. Like I told you before, I want to teach you if it is really converting or not. No, we know this one is low converting, but we want to click inside and see what is stated for us by CPALEAD. Look at it here. It says, note, this offer was tested with at least 300 clicks and has not converted. This could mean the publishers who send traffic to this offer didn't send the right traffic, or it could mean the offer doesn't convert. We provide this warning to let you know that it's possible that the offer may not convert, but it still might if you send the right type of traffic to this offer. So you can see that right now they are making you understand that we provide this warning to let you know that it's possible that this offer may not convert. So, but if you want to take risk, you can move ahead. But I don't want to take this risk because you want to go for what is already working. You are not yet to take risk. You have to start making money. Let's share the next one. This one is same casino too. And I want to be very careful. Like the device I use, the device they are asking for is iOS, and the country. This one is Canada. While this one is South Africa. So let's share this one. This one is giving us $22.44 too. Let's click on it and see if there are anyone in there too. Yes, no, it's not like that. Not like that. So this one is going to make sense. This one says they're going to pay us $22.44 if anybody takes action, and they are going to be using the mobile device, and the country is South Africa. So this is your link here. You can preview the link. If you click on the preview link, it will take you to this spot. Look at it. They are talking about phones, iPhones and iPad, casino games and the like. Look at them here. Look at them. So you are not interested in this one. What you are interested in the link. Just come to your CPALEAD again. Again, you can now grab the link. Look at the affiliate link here. Click on the copy the link. Then you go to a website called bit.ly or bit.ly. Yes, go to a website called bit.ly. Then you can come here and create a link. When you click on create, Look at the link here. This cdnflyer.com. Look at it here. Let me show you back. Let me show you again. Look at it. cdnflyer.com/srov. Look at it here again. /srov. So the same thing. So when you create here, you paste it there. Then you create. When you create, it's going to give you a shorted link. Copy this link. When you copy it, then you can now go to the next website where you are going to post this place, your link. That's the social media I talked about before now, and that place is called Twitter. Yes, come to Twitter. If you come to Twitter, you can easily search for online casino, because what you're about to promote is online casino. Look at it there, online casino. So you can come to Twitter and search for online casino. You can see others doing the same thing that you're about to do here right now. If you scroll down, you can see them. Yes. Let me go up. I thought I saw one here before now that I want to use for sample. Alright, you can see this one here. Say visit the link in bio to get the very new update of House of Fun coins and spins. So all about casino, people are already doing this thing right here right now. So you can see the way to follow them and follow that pattern to get your post promoted for free here. But right now, what we want to do here, we just want to put our post here, then make sure we get it well written. How to do that? Come to this place here right now. You can click on post. Look at the post. Maybe you want to create here. Where's the create button? Look at it. When you click on tweet, if you click on tweet, it will take you to a spot where you can edit your post. So look at mine here right now. I have already done this because of time. So you can see, win real money, get rewarded when you play games, and play for a chance to win huge jackpots on some top slots. Get free PayPal and Amazon gift card. Look at the link here. Look at this, my link here. This link here is what you have, is what you see here. Look at it to 3K4NC. Let's check here if it's the same thing. Look at it, 3K4NC. So the same link I have there is what I have here right now. Look at it. So if you want to get content like that, to get this kind of where it is, you don't have to worry. Go to that same spot you collected the affiliate from. Look at the preview link here. Click on the preview link. It's going to move you to their landing page. Scroll down. You're going to see what they wrote about the description. Look at it here. Look at the description. You can click more. You're going to see what they wrote. Like, look at what I collected. I collected this on win real money. I collected get reward when you buy, and some other things. I just turn it off to get a better write up. Then I put my stuff here. I'm supposed to add tag to this write up so that it will really get more audience. I forgot that. But in case you want to add tags, you can just come to this spot here. Let's say write tags. Write tags. Let's Google search it. Let's get it loaded. Look at it here. Find the best hashtags. So click on it. Now we are in. So now we want to look for the hashtag. Let's say online casino. Online casino. Search. There we go. You can see. Look at the hashtag here. Look at that one here. Look at that one here. Look at that one here. So can you get all these hashtags? Look at them. You can see them, about 6 or 7 of them here. Get all of them and insert them into your post, so that your post can really get more audience. Then when you're done, you can now come here and put your link. Then in case you want to add this image so that it can look attractive for others to click on it. So the next thing I want to talk about right now is to get the free traffic to this our affiliate link. Where do we go to? Another place than the site called Add Me Fast. This website called Add Me Fast is a very good website that you want to go to. Like what they said here, they said Add Me Fast is a network that will pay you, that will help you grow your social presence. We allow you to look and choose who you want to like, subscribe, follow, view, and skip those who you are not interested in. It's simple. Like they said, easy registration, easy free registration, and more than 400 daily bonus points to active users. So they don't sell likes, they don't sell subscribers, they don't sell followers, they don't sell views, they don't sell hits. I do not request your username or password for anything. So that's it. So what you do right now, you just come to this place and click on register. Register with them. And when you register with them, you'll be taken to a spot where you can fix in your email and the like. You can see my email here right now, but this is not my real email because I'm trying to have other accounts with this website. So what I did, I went to a place called email on deck. Look at this place called email on deck. The people will give you free email. Just click on them, then they will give you this email. Copy this email, Then you come to this spot called, yes, come to this place and can fix your email and register, and they will send you the link to back to your this email deck website again. They can look at it here. You see, confirm your admin fast account email and finish registration. When you click on it, it's going to load up and you see your link. They look at, let me just see if it will load up. All right, so look at it here. Say click here to confirm. So when you click here there to confirm, you take it to this spot where it says your email was successfully confirmed. The next thing, you can now log in with your username and password again. Then when you're logging, you take it to this spot where you can now follow people, like people to start making money. Like this one now, you can see I already have 4 points here because what I did, I just followed a post, one of the Facebook likes here. I followed the likes, and when I follow back, they give me 4 points. So in this place, you can follow people to earn points. They can say buy points too to make more points. So it's simple. So what we want to do right now, we have about 100 points or 50 points. Just come here and come to this top here. This spot here says add. Click on the add. You now select this spot. At this time, you want to choose Twitter retweets. The other spot there, but this one, you want to use Twitter retweets. Here is it again. Twitter retweets, because you want people to retweet your Twitter post. So, because why you asking them to retweet your Twitter post? Because some of them may have about 1 million followers, 1 million subscribers, 1 million followers, or family and friends who have so many great Twitter accounts. So when they retweet your handle to their friends and family, you may really have clicks from those people. And the next thing you want to do is you want to be careful of your country, because if you look at our CPALEAD, they said they wanted only South Africa. Don't do South Africa. So when you are here, just do it to make sure you are choosing only South Africa. If you are new here, this word will be ticked. But right now we don't want that. So we want to tick it to ask us to choose a country. So we'll now choose South Africa. Look at it there. I'm already choosing it. Then go outside. The next thing is your tweet ID. Tweet ID. If you want to know your tweet ID, go to Twitter account again. So what you do is do it to come to this spot. Maybe it's as me this is your post. You can see the guys here. As me this is your post. If you click on this post very well, you are going to see some numbers here. If you go to the end of the post, you're going to see some numbers. And this one you not see numbers because I'm not clicking on the post. When you click on the post, you're going to see some numbers. Those numbers, just copy them and come to this website called Admin Fast. Then you can fix it numbers. Look at my own here right now. You are seeing only numbers at the end. You just copy them and paste them here. Then you are going to select the number of clicks you want. You can put number of clicks, the number of cost per click, how much you're going to pay per click. Click on it. Right now, I have only 4 points here right now, so I cannot do more. Maybe I need to earn more or pay or buy points now for me to get more points. Then after then, you can now scroll down and click save changes. Then after some time, it gets activated and you see people clicking on your affiliate link. And mind you, those guys will be clicking from only South Africa, because what you wanted here, you wanted this click to come from only South Africa, and to click on it, and it will be organic click from several people around the world, because the click will be coming from your Twitter account. This is how it works. It's very simple. So try hard and take action right now. Stop procrastinating. Start taking action right now. In case you forget, do it to subscribe to my channel. Do it to subscribe and hit the like button. Do it to click on the bell notification sign so that you can get more of this. Thanks for watching. Bye.